As someone who is a professional chef and who also happens to have type 1 diabetes, I know that the key to eating healthy is keeping easy to use and convenient ingredients in the kitchen. Here's a list of pantry essentials that can be used anytime to create recipes that make me feel good and that taste great. All right, so here we have my essential pantry items. Delicious, easy to find ingredients that help give some vibrance to your food, but also helps keep things really simple and really clean because they're right behind you in your pantry. Some of my favorite go-tos, lemon and lime. You have to have those in the pantry because if you're trying to watch your sodium, as people with type 1 diabetes really should be doing, adding citrus, a little bit of lemon, a little bit of lime helps really give some vibrance to your food so you can use less sodium. Ginger, turmeric, garlic, all of those things are great for your digestive system. Cooking at home is so important for me, especially if you're living with type 1 diabetes. I know exactly what goes into my body. I'm in charge of the ingredients. There's nothing better than cooking for yourself at home. These ingredients help ensure I'm eating the right things so I can live more and worry less.